Mastering financial literacy in the digital age. Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering financial literacy in the digital age and unlock my earning potential. In this video, you'll discover the essential skills needed to unlock your earning potential in the digital age. Many people struggle with managing their finances, leading to missed opportunities for wealth creation and financial security. It's easy to get caught up in the moment, living paycheck to paycheck, without thinking about the long-term consequences. But the truth is, financial illiteracy can have serious consequences, from debt and bankruptcy to stress and anxiety. In fact, a recent study found that financial stress can affect not only our mental health, but also our physical well-being. It's no wonder that people are searching for a way out, a way to take control of their financial lives and build a better future. But where do you start? That's what we're going to explore in this video. The good news is that financial literacy is a skill that can be learned, and it's not as complicated as you might think. By understanding a few key concepts and strategies, you can start making informed decisions about your money and building a brighter financial future. But it's not just about having more money. It's about having the freedom and security to pursue your passions and live the life you want. There's a wealth of misinformation out there when it comes to personal finance, and it's easy to get overwhelmed. But the truth is, it all starts with a few simple principles, like budgeting and investing. By mastering these skills, you can start building a solid financial foundation that will serve you for years to come. We'll explore key concepts like budgeting, investing, and leveraging digital tools to enhance your financial knowledge and decision-making. You'll learn how to create a budget that actually works for you, not against you, and how to start investing in a way that aligns with your values and goals. We'll also explore the role of digital tools in modern finance, from budgeting apps to robo-advisors, and how they can help you simplify your financial life and make more informed decisions. The first step in building wealth is understanding where your money is going. That's where budgeting comes in. By tracking your income and expenses, you can start to identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments to allocate your resources more effectively. It's not about depriving yourself of things you enjoy, but about making conscious decisions about how you spend your money. Of course, budgeting is just the first step. Once you have a solid understanding of your financial situation, you can start thinking about investing. Investing is often seen as a complex and intimidating topic, but it doesn't have to be. By starting small and being consistent, you can start building a portfolio that will grow over time. And with the rise of digital tools, it's easier than ever to get started. One of the most powerful tools in your financial toolkit is compound interest. By understanding how compound interest works, you can start to make informed decisions about your investments and watch your wealth grow exponentially over time. It's not just about earning a high return. It's about harnessing the power of time to grow your wealth. The most impactful strategy for improving your financial literacy is understanding the power of compound interest and how it can exponentially grow your wealth over time. By using compound interest to your advantage, you can start to build a nest egg that will last a lifetime. It's not just about saving for retirement. It's about building a safety net that will give you the freedom to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. Of course, compound interest is just one part of the equation. You also need to understand how to navigate the complex world of investing. From stocks and bonds to ETFs and mutual funds, there are a lot of options out there. But by understanding the basics, you can start to make informed decisions about your investments and avoid costly mistakes. By embracing financial literacy, you not only secure your future, but also empower yourself to take control of your financial journey. You'll no longer be held back by fear or uncertainty, and you'll be able to make conscious decisions about your money that align with your values and goals. If you found this information helpful, be sure to check out my next video on smart investing strategies and leave your thoughts in the comments below.